Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyotokan. I'm Ryusei. Today I'm going to make Sakura Mochi. Sakura is cherry blossom. So I'm going to use cherry blossom leaves. They are preserved with salt. Sakura Mochi is very popular Wagashi. The saltiness of sakura leaves goes great with sweet anko and dough. The texture of it is the only thing. Anyway, please enjoy. Let's go! This is Domyouzi. Sakura Mochi is usually made from this. Do you know what is Domyouzi? Let's open it. These are very small particles. Actually, it's sticky rice. But it's not normal sticky rice. It was steamed and dried to preserve. And then it was split into small particles. First of all, I'm going to add red color to the lukewarm water. I prepared that the temperature of it is around 50 degrees. Okay, it's 49 degrees. And that red food color. Make sure to add pretty small amount of it. I add little by little to adjust the color. Okay. And then add the Domyouzi into the bowl. And mix to add color it evenly. Nice. I cover the bowl with plastic wrap and steam it. This is a steamer and it's heated well. When you open it, take care of burning. And that and steam it for 15 minutes over medium heat. 15 minutes later, open the lid and the plastic wrap. If the Domyouzi absorbs the all lukewarm water, remove from the steamer. And then I transfer it to this. Oh, it's my fault. This is a sieve covered with wet cloth. This helps all of Domyouzi to be heated well. Okay. Wrap them with cloth lightly. And steam it again. This time I steam them for 20 minutes. The level of fire is medium. 20 minutes later, open and remove it. Good. I transfer them to a big bowl as soon as possible. And then add 30 grams sugar into the bowl. And I mix them immediately to melt the sugar in the heat. Make sure not to mix too much. If we do too much, the shape its Domyouzi will collapse. Okay. I transfer them to a container covered with wet cloth. And let them to cool for a while. Please look, this pale pink color reminds me of cherry blossom. This is 200 grams tsubuan. I introduced the way of making it last video. First, I divide into 15 grams each. I recommend to measure them because the balance of quantities between tsubuan and dough is very important. Okay, I got 12 portions, and then I roll them into bowls. This makes us do next work comfortably. Okay, very beautiful. These are cherry blossom leaves preserved with salt. It's a super important part of Sakura Mochi. This saltiness flavor makes it stunning. This work of making these leaves is fantastic. They are very beautiful and almost the same size. Let's add them into the water to get rid of some saltiness. For me, I soak them for 5 minutes. Because this saltiness is important flavor. Make sure not to soak them too much. 5 minutes later, remove them from the water. And then place them on the cloth to get rid of the water. Very beautiful. And I pick a bowl. Then I cut the stem off. I've done preparing cherry blossom leaves. Once the dough has cooled, I'm going to divide it into portions too. This is syrup. It's mixed 10 grams sugar and 20 grams water. I use a wooden spoon moistened with syrup. Let's divide them into portions. One portion is 30 grams. I got 12 portions too. Okay. And then moisten my hands with syrup not too sticky. And roll them into balls as well. Good. I'm ready to wrap the one with dough. Moisten my hands with syrup. And spread the dough with my thumbs to circle. The key is to spread it as evenly and roundly as possible. Then I place the one on the center and turn over it and grasp it lightly. And then turn with left hand and push up the dough with my palm. Once the mouth becomes narrow, close it with my fingers. Turn over again. I turn it to make a beautiful round shape. Okay. At last, wrap it with a cherry blossom leaf. Yes, done. Please watch one more from different angles. Good. These are one of the most popular Japanese sweets, Sakura Mochi. Today, I'm going to eat it with bancha. Bancha is one of Japanese tea. The feature is roast flavor. Let's eat it. いただきます. This is amazing. The balance of sweetness and saltiness is perfect. Bancha also goes great with it. Very good. ごちそうさまでした. Thank you. How was it? Last time and today, I've introduced about Wagashi. And I'll keep trying Wagashi too. Probably once or twice a month. I hope Wagashi videos will be helpful and enjoyable for you. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.